What are those?
Beans.
Those are cars.
Cars.
That's right. Okay, open your book.
Duck.
What's that, a duck? Oh, a clock.
Cat.
Clock. Good job.
Duck.
Oh, that's a duck. You're right. Duck. Can you find... What's that called?
Pea.
Kite. Good job. Okay, open the book. What's that?
Me.
That's a nut.
Yeah.
We have nuts. Can you find the apple? Can you say it?
Apple.